everyone, this is Candy from Lofandi. It's our great pleasure to attend EUROBIKE 2024. Today, I'd like to introduce some new items of our products. Number one is our internal gear hub systems. They are specially designed for e-bike and e-cargos. This is 3-speed and this is 5-speed. The 3 gears are hidden in the motor, then can save the space to make the bike more satisfied. And both of them, they are designed with ultra-high torque. They have 2 shifting modes. The riders can switch the mode by display. With auto and manual, the riders shift the gear smoothly, then they can enjoy the riding. The second is our locking system. Today I'd like to show our front disc hub lock. We can control the lock by IoT or display or NFC card. Now the wheel is unlocked. And this one is our hub lock. It is installed in the front wheel. And this one is installed in the rear wheel. Our locking system have 3 functions: anti-theft, anti-destruction, and anti-lock. It is very important for the safe. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in our products, welcome to our website www.lofandi.com. Thank you.